Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance in just a few easy steps. So first of all, you have to sign up to your Payoneer account. So after signing up, you need to add Binance as a funding source in your Payoneer account. So go ahead and log into your Payoneer account. Once you are in, head to the Get Paid section and click on Receiving Amounts. Now here you'll see your Payoneer bank details for different currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, etc. Now choose your preferred method, then tap onto it. Now you have to choose your dollars, how much money you want to transfer or deposit. Now switch over to Binance, log into your wallet, then click on fiat and spot and choose deposit. Now click on buy with USD like this, buy with Bitcoin. I'm going with Bitcoin. Log in and go to your wallet again. Select your preferred currency and enter the amount you want to deposit. Choose to buy Bitcoin or any crypto asset. Binance will ask for details. This is where you will enter the Payoneer bank account info you copied earlier. Make sure to enter the correct routing and account numbers. If needed, double check everything. Then after that, simply follow the prompts to complete the deposit process. Payoneer will now transfer the funds to Binance quickly. This usually take 1 to 3 business days. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.